Hi, I thought I'd give you some advice on choosing the right tulips for your garden. There's a few things to think about when you're choosing your tulips. If you want to have your tulip display last as long as possible, you're best choosing a few types from each sort of flowering period to extend that season a little bit longer. So you could choose a couple of earlies, a couple of mids, and a couple of lates just to keep the season flowering all the way through. You probably want to consider your colour palette. So if you just want tulips, you could just choose a couple of tulips from each sort of flowering period and keep them to one colour palette. Or if you want to mix them with other things like narcissi or muscari, you might want to choose ones that will go with that colour palette as well. So if you get an idea of what colours you want in your garden, that'll help you choose your tulips as well. You could actually do a tulip bulb lasagna as well. So you could get a full season of tulips in one pot if you wanted to. If you just make sure that your latest flowering tulips go at the bottom, then the mids, and then your earlies at the top, that'll give you a full season of tulips in one area. And as I said, you can mix these with other bulbs as well. So you could have your earlies flowering with early flowering muscari or crocus, and then you could have your lates with other things. You could even have them with some perennials as well that flower at that time just to extend the period.